maths class, and today we'll do introduction to algebra. The concept we are going to cover in this chapter are constant and variable, operation and literal numbers, properties of addition and multiplication, power of literals, type of algebraic expression, term of an algebraic expression, like unlike terms, factors and coefficient. So all these concept we are going to cover in this chapter. Start करते हैं introduction से. Algebra is one of the branch of mathematics. Algebra mathematics की ही एक branch है. Algebra is evolved from the rules of operation of the arithmetic, which begin with the four operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Operation in the algebra follow the same rule as those in the arithmetic. Algebra use variable which are the symbol that represent the value, and expressions which are mathematical statement that uses numbers and variable. Algebra में हम variables का use करते हैं. Variable का use करके हम जो है जो unknown quantity है उसको find out करते हैं. Rohan is the shopkeeper. He bought some chair. He has already 15 chairs in his shop, and now there are 90 chairs in his shop. So already 15 थी but अब 90 हो गई है. How many chairs did he buy? कितनी और buy की कि 90 हो गई. Let हमने suppose किया कि उसने x number of chair और buy किए, तो x was 15, that should be equal to 90. So x equals to 90 minus 15, that means 75. Clear? The word algebra is the originated from the title of the book Ilm al-Zabar. Al-Makbala, the book written during the 9th century. An Arabian mathematician named Al-Khwarizmi. The original title was translated as the science of the restoration and reduction, basically meaning transposing and combining similar term of questions. So यहीं से algebra का origin हुआ था. Next, constant and variables. The symbol which have fixed value or in any situation they are called constant, जिनकी value same रहेगी. Like 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 11, all these are constant. The letter used in algebra are called variable and literal number, or simply the literals such as x, y, z, l, m, because their value keep changing according to situation. So ये क्या कहलाते हैं? Variables. Let us consider an example to show x, y, z, p, l, etc. are called variable. Consider the side of the square x unit. हमने suppose किया कि square की जो sides है वो x unit है, तो area क्या हो जाएगा? Side into side means x into x, x square unit. So area of square depend on the side square. So it will increase, then the area will also increase. अगर side बढ़ेगी तो area भी बढ़ेगा, and अगर side घटेगी तो area भी कम हो जाएगा. So we can say that the area depend on side and side is a variable. Clear? In 12x, 12 क्या हमारा हो जाएगा? Constant. X हो जाएगा variable. But 12x is the variable. Clear? So अगर हम 12x पूरे को consider करें तो ये पूरा variable है. अगर हम separately करें तो 12 हमारा constant and x is variable. So we concluded that the combination of constant and variable is always variable. Next, operation on literal numbers. All the four operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are used in algebra. First हम लेते हैं addition. The sum of an 8 is represented by x, और 8 के sum को आप कैसे लिखेंगे? x plus 8. 12 more than dash is represented by, अगर किसी नंबर से like y से 12 ज़्यादा है तो y plus 12. स्टेटमेंट हमारा ये हो जाएगा. Next is subtraction. y is decreased by 7 is represented by y minus 7. Decrease हो रहा है तो minus आ जाएगा. 5 less than x is represented by x minus 5. Next is multiplication. The product of x and y is represented by x, y, x into y. 8 times of y, 8 into y. Next is division. X is divided by 10 is represented by x divided by 10. X is divided by 5, 5. That represent x divided by 5, 5. Properties of addition and multiplication. For any literals, we have x plus y equals to y plus x. Clear? Same होगा. x plus y plus z. Grouping यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. y plus z को हम अगर x में add करें, that is same as x plus y plus z. x plus 0 is same as 0 plus x, that is x. x into y is same as y into x. ये हमने properties में पढ़ा था. x into y into z, that is equals to x into y multiplied by z. x into 0, that is same as 0 into x, that is 0. x into 1 that is same as 1 into x, that is x. Now we'll talk about the power of literals. If a literal x multiply 8 times by itself, उसी से हम अगर 8 times multiply करें तो हम उसको rather than writing like this we can write x is to power 8. That means x multiply by x 8 times. Same x को हमने x से 8 times multiply किया है. We read it as raised to the power 8 where x हमारा जो है that is the base और 8 हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, power या exponent. Similarly, a multiply by a 6 times that can be written as a is to power 6. a हमारा base हो जाएगा 6 power. b multiply by b m time can be written as b is to power m. Clear? यहाँ पे dot जो है that is used as a symbol of multiplication like x y लिखा या x dot y. So ये dot का मतलब होता है multiplication. Example लेते हैं यहाँ पे हम. Write the following statement in algebraic form. 12 more than y. 12 more than y. Y से 12 ज़्यादा. Y plus 12. We'll write it as y plus 12. Clear? Next is evolution time 5.1. Write T for true and F for false. Operation in the algebra do not follow the same rule as those in arithmetic. That is false. Next, write the following statement in algebraic form. 6 more than number z. 6 more than, so z plus 6. Next, write the following in exponential form. So x को हम यहाँ कितनी times कर रहे हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x is to power 5 and y is to power 3. Clear? Next, write the following in the product form. 9, x is to power 3, y is to power 4, z is to power 6. So अगर हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, x की पावर यहाँ पे है 3 into x into x into y into y into y into y into z into z. 6 टाइम है तो 6 टाइम लिख देंगे. Clear? So practice all the questions. Next is look back. Algebra is one of the branches of mathematics in which letter and numbers are used. Constant have fixed value in any situation. The letter used in algebra that is called the variable or literal. The combination of constant and variable connected by the symbol plus or minus only, they are called algebraic expression. Monomial has 1 term, binomial में 2 term हो गए and trinomial has 3 terms and polynomial has more than 3 terms. Like terms have the same literal factors और unlike terms में क्या होगा, अलग अलग literal factors होंगे. Let's recall. So ये सारे questions आपको खुद से practice करने हैं so that you will understand कि आपको chapter कितना अच्छे से समझ में आया. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. 4 less than the quotient of A and B is represented by 4 less than. तो quotient हो जाएगा A on B minus 4. So B is the correct option. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया है. Now you practice it.